In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Heikin Ashi RSI Oscillator in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have any chart open. It can be a stock, forex pair, crypto chart, or any other market you like. Once you're on the charting screen, look towards the top of the interface for the Indicators button. This is usually located near the toolbar above the main chart area. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where you can add all kinds of tools like oscillators, moving averages, and custom scripts to enhance your analysis. When you click Indicators, a new window or panel will pop up. At the top of this panel, you'll see a search box. This search bar is really useful because TradingView has thousands of built-in and community-made indicators, so manually scrolling through them would take forever. Click inside the search box so you can start typing. Now, in that search field, type Heikin Ashi RSI Oscillator. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results below. Be sure to type it carefully and watch for any slight variations in the name. Once you see Heikin Ashi RSI Oscillator appear in the results list, simply click on it. The moment you do that, the indicator will be added directly to your chart. You should now see a new panel appear, usually below your price chart. This is where the Heikin Ashi RSI Oscillator is displayed. If you don't see it right away, double check that you actually clicked the result in the indicators list and that you're still on the right chart layout. Sometimes it helps to briefly zoom out or resize the panels, so everything is clearly visible. From here, you can customize the indicator if you want. On TradingView, most indicators have a settings icon next to their name on the chart. Clicking that lets you adjust colors, line styles, and sometimes the calculation inputs, depending on how the script was built. If you're new to this indicator, you may want to start with the default settings while you get used to how it behaves with your favorite markets and timeframes. Finally, if you're not already on the Pro version of TradingView and you'd like access to more indicators and advanced features on a single chart, check out the affiliate link in the description. Upgrading through that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it unlocks additional tools that can make working with indicators like the Heikin Ashi RSI Oscillator a lot smoother and more flexible.